Hi guys, how you doing? Back on this dustbin beetle. I have not done much since I took out that gearbox and then I installed this one. So today we're going to be doing rust. We need to take out that rust then so that we can put new floor pans, although they are not I'm gonna be making them myself, so they're not gonna be new, but then they'll be better than this one because I do have like kind of like a pen that I'll be cutting, and then I'll slide it over there and then it will be yeah, better than this one, because this one I don't like it. Who would like this rusty mess? I mean, even this side is better, but I'm gonna take it out because you can see that hole right there. So this is just all rust here, so it's not safe. So I'm gonna take it out, I'm gonna cut it. I have my grinder right here, so I'm gonna cut it all out and then cut that side all out again, and then yeah, then I'll bring you back when I've finished cutting. So that is just it. Just wanted to give you an update. Alright guys, so we're done with this side. We're gonna cut it up until here. So here, that side might look it might look rusty, but it's not rust, it's just it has dirt all over it. So I'm gonna clean it up, then it's gonna look good. So this side I've cut it, and then here I've cut it. This side it is rusty also, but not that much. Nothing to be concerned about. Just going to forget that side. The most important side is this side. So we're done with this one, so I'm going to come this side, cut it out, and then bring you right back. Alright guys, so this side is done. Sorry for the shaking guys. This side is done. So I didn't want to cut it too much because I'm going to overlap it this side, and then I might come down and then cut it again. So I'm going to put steel on top of this one so that it stays rigid. That side I couldn't leave much there because it was already rusted. Then I'm gonna take out those other ones right there, and then yeah, we'll be good. So this was just a little update. Don't want the video to be too long. Stay tuned. Next time we'll be doing I'll be cutting the floors and then putting them in so that the inside can be sealed. So for now, just going to leave it like this. So yeah, maybe the air coming in will take out the smell, because the smell in here, it was so bad. Although now it is kind of okay, it doesn't smell that bad, but then yeah, it's not like a brand new car. Alright guys, mumbling now, I'm just saying things. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Don't forget to share and like. If you do like the video, please do like it. Thanks for watching again. Bye.